How to hide best friends on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide best friends on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open our Snapchat app, please make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update your Snapchat application. Now let's just head on and tap on Snapchat to open it. And from the camera page, let us swipe right to go to the chats page. So from here, if you want to hide your best friends on Snapchat, for example, if this one is my best friend right here, so let's just click on the conversation with your friend. After that, click on their name at the top left part of the screen and click on the three dots at the top right corner right here. So next thing is we are going to click on Manage Friendship. After that, let's just click on Remove Friends. So this step will basically hide your best friend on Snapchat because you will not be friends with them anymore. And there are actually two ways. So the second step or the second way to hide your best friend is, again, let's go back to the conversation right here and press and hold that certain friend that you want to hide from Snapchat. For example, right here, just press and hold that and this will pop up. So what we're going to choose from these options is chat settings. Click on that and just click on clear from chat feed. So what this will do is it will hide the conversation from the chats page. So it will be removed from this page. So let's just click on that and click on clear once again. So that is how you can hide your best friends on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.